Introducing the 2020 Kia Optima. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make relaxation the theme of your family road trips in this distinctively stylish Optima. With driver assist tech, infotainment, and connectivity on board, this handsome midsize sedan prioritizes safety, comfort, and convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You deserve the comfort and convenience of this striking Optima. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.